Hello, what is up everyone? It's me again, Carlo, and today what I'm going to show you with this Buddy Diary app is how we can change the settings or modify the view of the chart view. So with that being said, let's get started. So to get you to the chart view tab, all you have to do is to tap this button right here, which is the chart view button. And there you go, you can now see the chart view of all your weight entries. Now if you have noticed that the chart view is quite, I would say messy per se, because all your weight inputs are showing, like on the graph. If you have noticed that there are multiple dots, those are your weight inputs. But hey, don't worry, I'm gonna show you how you can change the view settings of this chart. Let's go. Now, if you have noticed, there are 6 buttons right under the chart available. So that means that there are 6 options available for you. And I'm going to show you one by one on how these buttons work. Let's do it. Okay, so what you see right now on the chart is the first option available, which is all, which means that it comes from the very beginning, no matter what year that was. As long as it is part of your weight entry, it is going to be part of this chart. And in this case, this is way back 24th of October 2011. Something good to know about this chart view is that you have the ability to zoom in the chart so that you can see each entry more detailed and more precise. Just like what I'm doing, so you can, just like how you zoom in a photo on your cell phone. Now once the chart is zoomed in, you can also scroll through the chart so that you can see your other weight entries. And on to the next option is the 1 year, which is the second button available on this chart view. Now this option will show you the last weight entry that you have on your phone or on your app a year back from the current date. Now as you can see, you can also zoom in, zoom out, scroll through the chart, which you can do on each and every option available in this chart view. And now that you already have the idea on how these buttons work, I'm gonna fast forward a bit. So the third button is 6 months, and the fourth button shows 1 month, and the fifth button will show 2 weeks time. For the sixth and last option available on this chart, I'm gonna show you this one in detail. This button will allow you to customize the timeline shown on your chart. And here's how it goes. Now, if you have noticed, there are 2 boxes available on this option, the from and the to. And if you have noticed, the to, there is an X mark for the end date, which means you won't be able to change it. And the reason why that is because of this toggle switch that says always until the current date, which means whichever date you are on, it will be the end date of the timeline. So I'm gonna switch that toggle switch off so that I can customize the to date. And here I'm gonna show you an example of a timeline that I'm gonna select using this customized button. So I have selected the 6th of July as the beginning date and 14th of August as the end date. And there you have it. That's how it looks like on the timeline when it's customized. Let me show you another example. So I'm gonna select the end date as the 10th of July. And then for the start date, I'm gonna select the 5th of July. Oh, and hey, don't forget to tap OK to save your selected date and tap the check mark to save your settings. So here's how it will appear on my end. No changes because I haven't weighed in a week time. Okay, well, so there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.